Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video here on this channel. Today we are inside of Walling, which used to be a project manager. It has now gone into more of a sharing your ideas sort of application, but it still works as a great project manager, both personally and for teams as well. So this is probably the most beautiful project manager I have seen, and this is again great for a lot of visual people. They have also implemented AI, which I like a lot. Have AI help you to organize things and to add new things and so on. I haven't actually tested the AI too much, but I have been playing around with the different bricks. So you can have different they call it bricks inside of different walls, but a wall is basically an open place where you can add things. So inside of here, I have a Kanban view. As you can see here, there are customizations that you can do, and you can even move this to someplace else. But let's add something over here. Let's call this test for YouTube video. And we can start to add bricks here. As you can see, you can add a test note just to show you how this works. To dos. You can add notes and to-dos inside of here, which is amazing. So let's do this, to-dos. Delete this. You can change the colors here, which is fun to do. So there is a lot of customization to an app like this. And this works great for SOPs, and it works great for managing to-dos across a team. You can add different due dates here, but this is a premium feature. And once you have the premium, you can go into assigned and see all of your different tasks. They have an inbox. You know, I love an inbox feature where you can add different things. So add a note or a to-do. And I could move this to another wall. So let's move this to my social media ideas and move it to test for YouTube. Let's now jump back into here, and you can see that it appears here, which is a really cool feature. And you have different views inside of here. Here you can see that I've used the Kanban view, but you could get this in a table view if you want tables with different properties here. I do love my properties and databases, but you can change the type, and there are a bunch of types here you can use. So you could have a basic database here, or a Kanban view like I have, a list view for those of you who prefer a list view. And we also have the calendar view, which is great for planning out tasks for a week. So this is great for basic project management, and it also does great with visual things like pictures, for example, or even PDF files. And you can actually publish this to the web. So if you wanted to create a mood board for an idea you have, or in my case, a YouTube video, if I wanted a mood board for my YouTube video, I could easily create one. You can have different folders, and inside of those folders, you can have subfolders, or you can actually have these pages or walls, as it is called. Inside of here, I have some few notes and some things about different apps. I've just been playing around with it, testing it out, adding different stuff to see how this works. But as you can see, it struggles with longer notes. But for shorter bullet point notes, it is really, really good. So this is the free version. You can pay for the premium one. I would recommend paying for the premium one if you are going to use this as a team or just for task management, because you get this assigned field, which helps you to have all of your tasks in one place from all of the different walls. Let's now take a look at the pricing here. So yearly it is $6 each month, or it is actually $8 each month monthly, or $6 each month if you pay for the yearly. This is a special yearly plan offer they have going right now, which makes it to 49 USD each year, which isn't too bad. But what you get is unlimited walls. You only have 10 walls in the free one, and that is good for just starting out and testing out the app. But in the long run, you should probably have changed this to the paid plan. You get unlimited AI credits, which again is amazing. It helps you generate ideas, tasks, images, tables, and a lot of other different things. And the most important is the due date reminders and the assign tab. The API access and integrations is coming soon, but you get due dates, reminders, and unlimited file uploads as well. You also get white label walls for those of you who are interested in that. That is probably better for organizations and not for personal use. But for personal use as well, I would recommend the premium plan just to get this assigned box right here. I think it is really important to have all of your tasks in one place. So the way this would work is that all of my tasks from all of my different boards would appear here with a due date. And you also get notifications whenever a task is coming up or it is due. So that's also a great feature. Overall, it is quite a fast app and it looks really beautiful, which is probably the most important thing for a visual app like this. It has to look good in order for people to use it, because they try to hit a market of highly visual people who like to see pictures and to see everything in an infinite canvas and to design their own workflows. And in order to do that, you need a beautiful looking app. So I think this is quite a good app, quite a good project manager. It doesn't work too well for note taking, especially if you do longer notes. For shorter notes, for ideas, it does a great job, but for longer notes, you should probably look at something else. But as a basic project manager, it does the job quite well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will try to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching today's video.